Hey everyone, Ghost Nick here, and today I'm going to do a review on Dairy Queen. It's there. Picnic Peach Cobbler Blizzard. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do a review on. So, it's brand new, so I should try if it's any good. It has probably cobbler and peach into the flavor. So let me see if it's any good when I try it. The peaches are good, I have to say. It's a bit sweet. The peaches are sweet. But it's kind of tasty, I have to say. So what score I would give this? The Peach Cobbler Blizzard, the Picnic Peach Cobbler. I'll give the score of it a 4 stars out of 5. It's pretty delicious. If you like peaches. I hope you're not allergic to this. But it's pretty good to have. And also, please subscribe for more videos. I know this is not a big review, but I'll keep finding more things to review if I could find any. So in the meantime, this is Ghost Nick, signing off. Goodbye.